Vector search feels like magic until a user types an exact product name and the one document that literally contains it doesn't show up. Pure embedding search is great at meaning and terrible at specifics. And that gap is a classic retrieval interview trap. Knowing why and what to add separates people who've shipped RAG from people who've only demoed it. So let's start with where vector search actually breaks. Embedding-based vector search is the default for retrieval now. In plain terms, what is it genuinely good at? And where does it fall short? Take about 10 seconds to think.
Pure vector search is built for meaning. You embed the query and the documents into the same space and grab the nearest neighbors, so it's great at paraphrase and fuzzy semantic matches. The word car finds automobile. A vague question finds a relevant passage. Where it falls short is specifics. An embedding compresses a whole chunk into one fixed vector, so exact strings, a product name, an error code, a rare technical term, get blurred together with their neighbors. The model keeps the gist and throws away the literal detail. So when a query hinges on an exact token rather than its meaning, dense search can rank the right document surprisingly low. It's lossy by design, and lexical precision is what it loses.
Let's make the failure precise. Why specifically do rare terms and exact matches hurt dense retrieval so much? Take a moment before you answer.
Two reasons. First, embeddings are trained to put semantically similar things close together, so a specific identifier, a part number, a rare proper noun, lands near other identifiers of the same shape, rather than being kept distinct. The exact match signal gets averaged away. Second, rare tokens are underrepresented in training, so the model has a weak, fuzzy representation for them. Common words dominate the vector. The net effect is that the exact term appearing in this document is precisely the signal dense retrieval is worst at preserving. Sparse, keyword-style methods are the mirror image. They score by exact term overlap and reward rare terms heavily, so they nail the cases embeddings fumble.
You mentioned keyword methods. So what does sparse keyword search buy you? And why would you combine it with dense rather than pick one? Take 10 seconds here.
Keyword search, something like BM25, scores documents by how many query terms they contain, weighting rarer terms more. So it's sharp exactly where dense is weak, exact phrases, names, codes, rare jargon. But it's blind to meaning. It won't connect car to automobile or match a paraphrased question. So the two have complementary failure modes. Dense gets semantics and misses specifics. Sparse gets specifics and misses semantics. Hybrid retrieval runs both and combines them, a weighted blend of scores, or reciprocal rank fusion that merges the two ranked lists. You get the exact match precision of keywords and the semantic recall of embeddings, instead of betting everything on one method.
Here's a complaint you'll actually get. Users say the system misses obvious exact name matches. They search a company name and the document that literally says it never surfaces. How do you fix retrieval? Take a moment to diagnose it.
That symptom, an exact name in the document that never surfaces, almost always means it's pure dense retrieval, and the lexical signal got compressed away. The fix is to stop relying on embeddings alone, add a keyword channel like BM25, and fuse the two, so an exact name carries real weight. Reciprocal rank fusion is a quick, robust way to merge them. I'd also check a couple of things, whether chunking split the name across boundaries so neither chunk matches well, and whether names and IDs should live in a metadata field I can filter or match exactly, instead of only inside the embedding. Then, I'd confirm with a small test set of known exact match queries, search the name, assert the right document lands in the top results, so the fix is measured, not hoped.
Suppose you add the hybrid channel. How do you decide the balance between keyword and dense? And what's the failure mode if you overweight the keyword side? Take 10 seconds to weigh it.
I'd tune the balance on an evaluation set that mixes both kinds of queries, natural language semantic ones, and exact name or code lookups, and measure recall at k separately for each type, not as one blended number. Overweight the keyword side and you slide back to brittle matching. You miss synonyms and paraphrases, so conversational queries tank. Overweight dense, and the exact name problem comes right back. The usual sweet spot is hybrid recall feeding a reranker. Let the cheap, dense plus keyword stage pull a broad candidate set, then a cross-encoder reorders the top ones for precision. The judgment is to set the fusion weights from your real query mix and watch quality per query type, because a single average hides whichever half you just broke.
So, to wrap it, dense vector search captures meaning, but loses exact, rare, and literal matches, because embeddings compress lexical detail away. Keyword search like BM25 is the opposite, sharp on exact terms, blind to paraphrase. The fix is almost always hybrid. Run both, fuse the scores, re-rank if precision matters, and tune the balance on queries that look like your real traffic. Match the retriever to how people actually search. If this kind of prep helps, like this episode, share it with someone who's interviewing, and subscribe to Interview on Your Way. More and better questions are on the way.